This is a SimpleTaste egg cooker. You can use it to hard-boil, poach, and scramble eggs, make omelets, and steam vegetables and other foods. It can cook 10 eggs at one time, soft, medium, or hard-boiled, which is determined by how much water you add, using the included measuring cup. The cooker will go to standby automatically if the water boils over. A buzzer will alert you when the food is done cooking. You may notice mineral deposits on the heating plate after a few uses. Don't worry, this may look like rust, but it's just the residue of natural minerals present in your water. To remove this residue, simply clean the heating plate from time to time with a mild solution of 10 parts water and 1 part vinegar.
Hi, my name is Noelle. Today I would like to introduce you to Bodum's Latteo Frother. This 8-ounce manual milk frother is made of borosilicate glass with a plunger handle that is comfortable to grip and smooth to touch. The plastic lid has a deep rim to prevent foam from escaping through the spout. To use this frother, just follow these 5 easy steps. First, fill the frother to the milk maximum line with cold, non-fat milk. Then, place the jug on a hard, flat surface. Next, position the lid with the width onto the jug, making sure the pouring outlet is closed. At this time, start frothing the milk by moving the plunger up and down. Plunge the milk about 60 to 90 times. You'll actually feel the milk getting thicker. After about 30 seconds, let the milk rest for approximately a minute, allowing the froth to thicken even more. If you prefer warm froth, microwave on high for 30 to 50 seconds, but be sure to remove the plunger and lid before placing the jug in the microwave. Lastly, spoon the milk froth out of your frother and into your coffee. In less than 2 minutes, you can easily whip milk into an airy foam just like your local cafe. After you've served you and your guests, you can put every part of the milk frother into the dishwasher. Enjoy!